I am D. Savitri, working as Assistant Professor of Economics in ADM College for Women, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. I am handling the paper Labor Economics. My topic is migration. This paper is allotted for 3rd UG for 5th semester. Migration, meaning, types, causes and effects. Definition and meaning of migration. Migration refers to movement of a person from one place to another place, away from native place, either within or outside the country for job, occupation, business, or in search of better standard of living on a permanent basis. Definition of migration. The definition or meaning of migration highlights two things. It is a long-term movement within or outside the country. Number 2, it is take place for job, occupation, business or for the better standard of living. Types of migration. There are two types of migration. Place-based migration and reason-based migration. Place-based migrations comes under the internal migration and international migration. Reason-based migration comes under the pull factors and push factors. Place-based migration means any migration which is based on territory of particular country or geographical boundaries of a country is place-based migration. It can be classified in two parts. Internal migration. The movement of person from one place to another within the territory of a country is known as internal migration. When a person from one place to another place. International migration. The movement of a person from one country to another is known as international migration. For example, a person from any part of India moves to some other country in search of job, occupation, business or for better standard of living for permanent basis, or when people from other countries come to India for settlement on a permanent basis, it is known as international migration. Reason-based migration, it can be classified in two parts, migration, push factors and pull factors. Migration due to pull factors. When a person gets attracted to better job opportunity, modern lifestyle and infrastructural facilities of more developed cities and migrates there, it is known as migration due to pull factors. Reason-based migration, it can be classified into two parts, migration, push and pull factors. Migration due to pull factors. When a person gets attracted to better job opportunities, modern lifestyle and infrastructural facilities of more developed cities and migrates there, it is known as migration due to pull factors. For example, a person migrates from village to a city due to economic and social reasons or to attain better standard of living is considered as pull factors. In the same way, when a person migrates to other countries to settle there permanently due to better lifestyle, transportation, communication system, education, health services, etc., it is known as migration due to pull factors. Migration due to push factors. When people living in backward areas, they are forced to leave those places due to lack of employment opportunities and to attain higher standard of living. This type of migration is known as forceful migration or migration due to push factors. Causes of migration. There are some causes of migration which can be economic causes, social causes, political causes and natural and developmental which varies from person. Economic causes. The main causes for migration are economic factors. Economic reasons make a person to migrate. For employment opportunities. When a person moves from one place to another place for employment, occupation or business to increase economic opportunities. Due to transfer. When a person is transferred from one place to another distant place by employer, he is forced to move to that place. Extent of natural resources. When a particular territory has abundance of natural resources but relatively the population is low, so people migrate there for employment opportunities. For example, petroleum products or mining and refining industries require more laborers, so people from small town migrate there in search of work. to get better education and health services. When a person cannot acquire higher education at native place, he migrates to another place for education purpose. If there is lack of modern health facilities, he has to migrate from one place to another where he can get better treatments. Planned migration. When a family plans to send one or more persons away from the native place for performing economic activity to a distant place, it is known as planned or organized migration. Social causes, marriage. After the institution of marriage, a woman leaves her native and migrates to live at a distant place with her husband. It is one of the causes of social migration. To get respite from social rituals. When a person wants to get rid of some traditional, orthodox and superstition to get a greater extent, he migrates to more developed places where socially believe in liberal thinking and modern lifestyle. Political causes. There are two political factors which can be considered for migration: war and unrest. People from the territory where war and riots take place often, so they migrate to another place where they do not need to live in constant fear and insecurity, and they can live a peaceful and secure life. Avoid friction. Wherever rioting and friction occur, people will prefer not to stay at affected places and they will migrate to a peaceful and safe place for better future. Natural causes. The places which are affected frequently by natural calamities like famine, earthquake, volcanoes, etc. has large number of people who migrate to secure places. Environmental causes. Due to developmental activities, people of the place have to migrate to another place, which is called migration due to environmental reasons. For example, migration of people because of irrigation project in any particular area. Effects of migration. There are two types of effects of migrations due to the economy. The effects of migrations help government to prepare migration related policy. There are two effects of migration: positive effects of migration and negative effects of migration. Positive effects: increase the level of income, improve the standard of living, boost the local economy, contribution towards economy. Negative effects: problem of urbanization, problem of environmental pollution, social evils. Positive effects of migration. The positive effects of migrations on different sectors of an economy, individual, family, society and the nation are beneficial and developmental. Increase the level of income. The main purpose behind most of the migration is more employment opportunities which one will get at migrate place, and the much developed place provide more opportunities, earn more income. Improve the standard of living. People moved to more developed place where they would get higher standard of living than they already had a native place. Boost the local economy. People who migrates to another cities or states send a share from their income to their native place. This income helps their family members to improve their standard of living. Contribution towards economy. When the people of one country migrate to other countries, they send some part of their earnings as remittance to their family, and remittance income is very important for developing countries. Negative effects of migration. Following are the negative effects of migration. Problems of urbanization. When less educated, inefficient and untrained people migrate to cities, they are forced to live in the poverty of cities due to low income, and it results in uncontrolled urbanization. Moreover, headmans and slums dwellings increase due to economic reasons. Unorganized urbanization also creates problems for local administration to providing enough water, drainage facility, road, transport, communication, toilet, education, schools, health services, etc. Problem of environmental pollution. In big cities, people who live in slum areas have no proper drainage and sanitation facilities. which result in increasing environmental pollutions. These problems become serious issues as a result of migration. Increased population also puts burden on public transportation, which force people to seek alternative transportation and result in serious problem of air pollution. So pollution also increase water pollution and noise pollution. Social evils. People who migrate from villages to cities in search of employment, and when they are not able to get expected job or lifestyle, sometimes resort to anti-social activities like theft, loot, etc. Social frictions may arise among the people because different in the language, culture and lifestyle. Thank you.